Welcome to Tripura Info News Update.
The opposition CPI-M today staged a noisy walkout from the assembly, protesting the objectionable and racially motivated remarks of Agriculture Minister Ratan Lal Nath yesterday, targeting the leader of the opposition Jiten Chaudhary. Yesterday, while contradicting the contents of a speech being delivered by Jiten Chaudhary, the minister told him, "Apni jaat chineche, you have exposed your racial identity, and I will thrust and confine you in your party office at Melamat." Such a sensitive and potentially racist comment was strongly protested by the opposition CPI-M bench, but to no effect, as the speaker Biswabandhu Sen, as always, took a partisan role in shielding the minister and the treasury bench.
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.